Every web developer needs to know this. React Server Components. And honestly, they're changing everything we know about how React works. If you've ever wondered how to speed up your app without breaking it into a million pieces, this is definitely for you. In this video, I'll explain what server components are, how they're different from client components, and why everyone's talking about them in 2025. React Server Components, or RSCs, is just a JavaScript that run on the server, not the browser. That means they don't add JavaScript to the client. They render on the server, send HTML to the client, and don't require hydration. So that leads to faster performance, better SEO, and less client-side JavaScript. React can now intelligently decide which parts of your app run on the server versus the client. That's honestly huge. The real power comes when you combine server and client components. For example, you can fetch data in a server component and pass it into an interactive client component. Client components run in the browser, support interactivity like on-click, and require hydration, which means extra JavaScript is sent to the browser. Server components, on the other hand, run entirely on the server. No JavaScript is sent to the browser, and it's generally used for fetching data, generating HTML before it reaches the browser. Big platforms like Vercel and Meta are already using this. And with Next.js 14, server components are fully supported with the new app router. You get some awesome benefits: dramatically reduced bundle size, faster page loads especially for mobile, and a cleaner architecture with better separation. Notice the Use Client directive. Here is a sample server component code and client component code. In client component.jsx, you can see Use Client at the top that tells React this component needs to run in the browser. If you're building with Next.js 13 or 14, you're already using RSC, maybe without even knowing it. Start by converting static components to server components. Use client components only when you need interactivity. It's a new mindset, but honestly, it's the future. Think less JavaScript, better performance. React Server Components aren't just a cool feature. They're a game changer for how we build web apps in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more modern web dev content. Let me know in the comments. Are you using server components in your project?